Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Astrosoul Oracle deck. This is by Studio Artemy, and I am so excited about this because I really do love Studio Artemy's Fortuna Tarot, which I will link in the eye and you can check out. So I'm hoping that this will be a nice addition for our astrology moon readings. So this retails for $58, and as always in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this should you want to. And whilst you're there, I do have a link tree that will provide you all of my social media links as well as an Etsy shop where I do my private readings. So with that being said, let's get into it. Astrosoul Oracle deck, an astrology deck for the evolution of the soul. 62 astrological cards created by Maria J. Fajardo Praena. I am excited. Look at this beautiful packaging. This is an independent deck, and all of the items that are on Studio Artemy are beautiful, so I highly suggest checking them out. All right, we have a guidebook here. As above, so below. So fun. Oh my gosh, look at the back. I love the simplicity, but the impact that that has. Oh, and we have matte navy blue edging. Oh, so pretty. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so here's the guidebook. Let's just check it out for any pertinent information. Oh, yay, we have a huge table of content here. Love that. All right. So we have prologue, info on the signs, and then it goes into each of the signs. Then we have the planets, luminaries. Wow. Okay, so yeah, everything is in here. So we'll go a little bit deeper with this after we flip through the cards, but I just wanted to see if there was anything that we needed to know. We even have a birth chart here. Okay, let's get to the flip through. So let's take a look at the back again. So pretty. And then the cardstock, yes. So this is a little bit thicker than mass-produced decks, which I like, but it shuffles so nice. So it's flexible, but snaps back. Love that. And it's a matte with the gold foiling. Ooh. I really enjoyed the Fortuna, how that shuffled. So this is the same creator, and I'm excited to see how this shuffles. So we have the constellation, the title of the sign and the card, and the astrological signs as well. I know a lot of you have been wanting to get into learning more about creating your birth chart and astrology in general. So this might be a good deck to pick up if you want to look more in depth with it, all in one spot. I really love how upscale this looks. It's minimalistic, but just the color of this navy being matte and then that gold foiling is just so luxe. A lot of this information too can be overwhelming and intimidating. So having it all consolidated in a deck like this is very helpful because it can break it down card by card. And then you can start combining the cards and really understanding each bit and how they coincide together, much like tarot. All right, planets. Oh, look at this. So it has the keywords down here as well. This is just beautiful. Look at all of that. Another very Instagrammable deck here. It's just beautiful. There's something about a minimalistic deck that just speaks to me. It's not something that I usually gravitate toward, but done like this, it's just chef's kiss. Okay, so now we are in the houses, and it gives you information right on the card. Fantastic. There we go. Sometimes it's hard to pick up the foiling. I love animal and pets also belong to this house. You might be able to hear the wind right now. We are just going through storm after storm here. Love that. All right. It gives you the degrees. So you can totally use this as a learning tool, but also as an oracle. Daily pull with it, confirmation with it. Repressed desires. Ooh. Oh, the fun retrograde. Don't ever be afraid of retrograde, especially, you know, a lot of us put a lot of weight into Mercury retrograde, but retrogrades are really just a time to reevaluate. And, you know, things will come up that will need you to focus on maybe rethinking it, redoing, restructuring, that sort of a thing. Things, yes, things can get a little wonky and a little out of place, but don't be terrified of a retrograde. Ooh, we have the phases of the moon here too. This will be great if you guys are wanting to practice new moon phase magic, how to do your workings and when best to do so, because it will tell you, you know, here's a good time for making decisions, taking action. Fantastic. So pretty. Oh, all right, let's see how it shuffles here. Yes, it's nice. Yeah, I really don't have a problem with how it shuffles. It feels really good in the hand. It's a great size. We're going to read for the third house, which is fitting because I myself am a Gemini. So it says, this is the house of the mind and ideas. Here's where we see the concrete thinking, thoughts, communication, mental agility, and the capacity to relate to the most immediate and daily social environments like siblings or neighbors. And the affirmation, I'm going to call it, is I think. Mercury. All right. The fundamental aspects of the human experience. And so then it gives you information on the houses. We're going to flip to the third house here and read for this. So type is the cadent. Element is air, rulership is Gemini and Mercury. Keywords, communication, speech, short distance travel, writing, mindset, siblings, neighbors, and early education. The third house rules one's intellect and what knowledge the native obtains in his life through the early stages of education. It also rules brothers, sisters, relatives, and everyone else that is close to the native, such as neighbors. Communication, so telephones, letters, gossiping, chatting, and small talk. Transportation, mainly short walks, and special skills related to one's hands, so hairdresser, carpenter, sculptor, etc., are also represented in this specific part of the natal chart. Very, very cool. It goes into a lot of information here. I am so excited about this because there are a lot of things that I too need refresher on. So that'll help a lot. It gives you so much information in here that honestly, for $58, if you want, like, I'm going to call it a grown-up deck, something that's a special treat, something that's going to give you a lot of information as well as substance and style, this might be the deck for you. I know there's a lot more astrological decks available now. So, you know, you really do have your choice of what you want in your deck and what you want your deck to look like. If you are more minimalistic and you want the information, this is probably your go-to out of the rest that I have reviewed. But also if you know somebody that's learning astrology and needing a little hand or wanting to get more involved in it, or divination in general, this might be a very nice gift for that person as well, or a gift for yourself. So I'm excited to start getting to know it a little bit better. Thank you so much to Studio Artemy for sending this deck our way. It is gorgeous. I am impressed with it. I think it is definitely one to look out for. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Is this something that you're excited about? Is it something that you haven't seen before? Is this a deck that now you have to have it? Or are you going to take a pass with this because you have another astrology deck that you connect with better? Let me know all of your thoughts down in the comment section below. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. And if you have not done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.